Hi fellow citizens, welcome back to my channel. Well, it's time for another celebration because the Republic Day is so close. The national festival of world's largest democratic country, India, and a very special day in 1950 when we adopted our constitution, which is the largest written. Every Republic Day is a reminder to be grateful for the opportunity and freedom we have to live our lives as we choose. And each celebration also calls for an epic recipe. So I'm going to share with you a very simple recipe of an incredibly indulgent tricolor smoothie. This recipe was made specifically keeping in mind the approaching Republic Day when you can celebrate while preparing this light breakfast and regenerate your spirit of patriotism. This dish is ideal to try out if you are seeking some entertaining no-fire cooking ideas to do with your kids, or if you want to try something unique to serve it to your guests this Republic Day. Made with fruits and dry fruits, this recipe provides all the nutrition you need while adding colorful ingredients. The best part is no artificial colors are being used. Moreover, you can use any foods for this recipe, there are no set rules for that. Getting the colors right is very important. It must have all the three colors representing India's flag, obviously. The second consideration is that you should pick ingredients that complement one another in flavor as well as appearance. So on this occasion, channel your patriotism into your food and let the tricolor feast begin. For the recipe, we will need frozen banana, frozen papaya, frozen pear, spinach, coconut milk, almond milk, maple syrup, soaked and deskinned almonds, ground turmeric, vanilla and blueberries. First of all, let's cut all the fruits into cubes and prepare to freeze. Papayas are a year-round fruit that is incredibly sweet and flavorful. To boost the smoothie's naturally sweet flavor, choose a ripe papaya. Since it has a smooth and mellow texture, smoothies made from it are a silky delight to the palate. Now remove the skin of these overnight soaked almonds. This is because we want to achieve a white bright color. For the best tasting smoothie, use a fully ripe banana. They are just perfect to add natural sweetness and creaminess to any smoothie, and they also go well with pretty much anything you want to put in there. Having the best grade fully ripened and sweet pear is one of the bare necessities to get the best flavor of this smoothie. If you happen to be a green smoothie newbie, spinach is usually a good starter ingredient since the flavor is milder than other greens like chard and kale. Also, spinach adds significant nutritional value without compromising the flavor. Don't worry, the green flavor will be covered up by the pear and banana and it won't be spinachy. Now freeze all of them by separating on a parchment paper so that they don't become a chunk. We are freezing them to get a creamier texture in all of our smoothies. For the green smoothie, combine all the ingredients into a high-powered blender and blend until smooth. Green smoothies get a lot of attention for detox or cleanse purposes, but I offer this smoothie simply because it's delicious. Now pour it into a serving bowl and keep in the freezer until we make the next smoothie. Now for the white smoothie, combine all the ingredients again and blend. I kept it super simple with this banana smoothie by adding more goodness to it with delicious and healthy almonds. Here, if you don't have almond milk, simply use coconut milk. Previously, I have shown how to make coconut milk from scratch in my video. Check the link in the description. Pour this into the same serving bowl and back into the freezer. Let's make the saffron color smoothie. When blended, papaya becomes incredibly creamy and smooth. The fresh sweet flavors of papaya and the earthiness of anti-inflammatory turmeric combines to create a delicious, refreshing drink that's packed with nutrients. If you have never added turmeric to drinks before, start out with less until you get used to the flavor. When you prepare this smoothie again, try increasing the quantity and see if you enjoy the difference. Now do the serving part. For all the layers, we have used foods that provide health benefits along with the required color. Add a blueberry on top. Voila! It just looks like the Indian flag. I absolutely love seeing what you guys make, so if you follow this recipe and make this tricolor smoothie, let me know what you think in the comments below. I love knowing my recipes come to life in your kitchen. The love and appreciation I'm getting for my videos makes me incredibly happy, so thank you. Happy Republic Day and eat clean. Now let me enjoy my smoothie. Meanwhile, let me know what kind of healthy recipe would you like to see next. I'm loving it. See you next. Goodbye.